Uh.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to test a floating kit for DJI Mavic Mini. Since I fly my drone often in the area with a lot of trees or above the lake or river, so I need some extra equipment for my drone. I installed the floating kit and the propeller guard as well. So let's get it started. First try, I let it take off from the ground. Honestly, I'm a little bit nervous because this is the first time for me. Oh! Did you see that? I didn't do that. It's just circling around, so strange. It seems to be unstable. Although the wind blows, it's not so strong. I can see it hardly fights the wind. Look, it's circling around by itself again. Yes, it landed. But it landed not fully on water. Half of the landing skids are still on the ground. Let's try it again. Yes, it landed again, but it's the same as the first landing. This time I tried to land it a little bit more in the middle of the river. Let's see what will happen. Oh no! The backside is wet. After the accident, I dried it and tried to fly it again. Thank God it still worked. And I tested again, but this time was not above water, just simply above the grass, with the floating kit and propeller guard still attached. And it's still the same as the first test. It hardly fights the wind. As you can see, I didn't control it. I just flew it up until above 1 meter high and let it steady. But it's just freaking out like crazy, up and down, spinning around by itself. I just worried it would crash actually. And then I tried to disassemble the floating kit and let it fly. And it flew like a charm. It's not wide like before. So my conclusion, the floating kit doesn't work. The skids, which are made from styrofoam, I think, are really light, causing them to be easily carried by the wind. It makes these light skids like a heavy load for the drone. And the second, the skids cannot hold the drone keep floating on the water. That's what makes my drone sink. That's my experience and opinion. Maybe I did something wrong or didn't say it correctly. If you have another opinion or experience, please write it down in your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching. Wassalam.